guys, so today we've got Aiden's E28, as you can see. Just essentially hit a deer on the freeway, unfortunately. The only one concerned about really is this kind of bend over here. This is all replaceable. The front fender's replaceable. This sort of front clip we can replace as well. So we're going to take off all the broken stuff first, including this radiator right here, which is totally busted, those poor headlights. You can actually see some deer fur in here, so that all has to go out. So we're gonna try and get off the hood now. Aiden actually just opened it. It was pretty stuck, but he got it open. And also get this fender off. So this is the beginning of the rebuild.
Thick. This one's gonna suck.
Not too bad, not too bad.
Let's just take this out.
It's broken anyways, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go. Up. And off.
Where should we put it?
I don't care.
Okay.
Oh God, turn the other way straight again.
Nice. Yo, look what I just found. It's a manual, the interior shot, but it's got all the parts we need. It's got the front headlights, Euro front end conversion. Looks pretty sweet, so hopefully we can make this work. All right, so what are we doing right now?
Buying a car.
Alright guys, so we just picked up this 87 535i. It's got a built motor. We're going to go into more detail about that soon. But more importantly, it's got a fender here, it's got a hood there, and it's got the European front end conversion, which looks really sweet compared to the US ugly front bumpers that come out way too far. That shell has some rust on it. This car is pretty clean, so we're probably just going to transfer over the motor and the manual transmission, more importantly, over to this car. So yeah, here's another look. We got the 5-speed manual shifter over there. This is dumb. So Aiden has left this mac and cheese in my house for like the past 6 months, so I'm gonna give it back to him now. Jack send you?
Dude.
For Chick-fil-A, yeah. VTEC? VTEC? Oh, maybe VTEC. I don't know.
Okay.
I mean, it's built. They
What? API main studs.
APR main studs.
APR. APR main studs and head studs.
And they painted the alternator red. That probably adds at least 20 horsepower.
Oh,
right?
yeah. Look at the calipers.
Oh, the calipers are red too?
Yeah. Check that out.
Oh, yeah.
I know.
That's hot. Okay.
It's like 45 more.
What's that you got there? Oh. Currently, we are trying to take apart the rest of the front end of this E28. We're gonna get ready to pull the motor, not very soon, I guess, but just get ready to that point. So we want to take the nose off, headlights, all that stuff, obviously. Probably fenders, just because why not? And then we have to figure out what's exactly we need to replace on his car. What? Okay, anyways, we're going to try and transfer this nose to that car because this nose is pretty messed up, but we're not exactly sure how it comes off. There's not much info about E28s out there for the front nose, so we're looking at E30 stuff and trying to see if we can kind of figure something out. Nice. Okay, so we've basically unplugged, I think, almost all the wires we need to get this engine out of here. We unplugged the ECU, the Motronic ECU, from the glove box area. With the second ECU, we're not exactly sure what it does, but
Yes.
ABS, we think ABS, right?
Yes. Well, it goes right to this guy, so it kind of has.
So we think we're just gonna use the ABS pump from that car and then plug it into the one, whatever from this car, I guess. We'll just kind of mix the two together. And hopefully it works. If not, we'll have to take that all out, but it should be fine. There's the ACU.
Man.
Motronic. Okay. And then I kind of just pulled out of the firewall over here. This is the connector for the ECU. So we should probably put some tape on this actually to protect it. And yeah. Also a lot of stuff going on over here with, you know, clutch lines, brake lines, all that stuff. Mash cylinder. This looks like spaghetti right now.
Yeah. Good thing I like spaghetti.
Really fun. Looks fixed to me. I think it's good. Yeah, just maybe a little bit more work.